Greetings to all. We are going to see about inlay. So the content of this video includes a definition, its indication and contraindication, the armamentarium used for inlay preparation, the basic concepts of cavity design, and the difference between conventional amalgam cavity and inlay preparations. We also see about the fabrication of wax pattern of inlay preparation. So by definition, inlay is a fixed intercoronal restoration which is made outside of a tooth to correspond to the form of the prepared cavity, which is then luted into the tooth. Coming to the indications of inlay, the cavity width should not exceed 1/3 of the intercostal distance, and there should not be any occlusal facets, and if present it should be confined to the occlusal surface, and the tooth which is used for inlay preparation should not be used as an abutment either for an FPD or an RPD. Inlay is contraindicated in case of small and shallow cavities, individuals with eye plaque or caries indices, and if there are any occlusal disharmony present, and aesthetically it is not preferred much. So the armamentarium required for inlay preparation includes burrs, which include number 271 burr, 169 L burr, and number 8862 burr, and chisel and hatchet to remove any unsupported enamel, gingival marginal trimmers to smoothen the axiopulpal line angle, and excavators to remove soft dentin if present. Basic concepts of an inlay cavity design includes inlay taper, bevel, and variation in proximal marginal design. So inlay taper includes in an extracoronal preparation, the preparation wall should converge from the cervical to the occlusal surface, which permits an unobstructed removal of wax pattern and subsequent casting. So the taper should be 2 to 5 degrees from the path of preparation. So bevels are nothing but a flexible extension of a cavity preparation which allows inclusion of surface defects, supplementary grooves, or other areas on the tooth surface. So the types of bevel include partial, short, long, full, counter, and hollow bevel. So these are classified based on the inclusion of enamel and dentin in the bevel design. So in case of class 2, the proximal margins will also vary in designs such as box shape, modified flare, slice, or auxiliary slice shape. So now we have seen about a cavity preparation in case of inlay. This tabular column summarizes about the differences in the cavity of an amalgam restoration and a class 2 inlay. Once the cavity preparation has been done, we need to fabricate wax pattern on it with the help of an inlay wax, either by direct or indirect technique. In direct technique, wax pattern can be directly made on the tooth surface, whereas in case of an indirect technique, we need to take impression of the cavity design which we have made, and the wax pattern has to be done on the model. So after we are done with the wax pattern, we need to proceed with investment and casting. Later, the inlay which we get can be fitted into the preparation. Thank you.